In this video we are going to discuss a question, top view of binary tree. Okay, so what is top view? For example, I am given a binary tree like this. So if the binary tree goes like this and then like this, so what is the top view? If you are standing here and your eyes look this tree from the top, okay, this is, I'm trying to make eye here. So this will be vertical level 0, vertical level 0. This will be vertical level 1, minus 1, minus 2, and similarly this will be minus, oh sorry, 1. This will be 2. So how will I look? I will see this node, this node, this node, this node, this node. Oh no, not this node, and this node. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So basically the topmost node, or the node which comes for the first time, which nodes come which the node which comes for the first time in that level, I will say include that node. If so, how will my code be like? So I will be doing, you can do this using pre-order traversal, in-order traversal, post-order traversal, or level order traversal. So in this video I'm going to use level order traversal. Why? Because I don't want the stack space, the extra recursion call stack. So I will do it level wise. Okay, so I need a data structure which I will just keep on pushing the nodes in it, and it will automatically take care of that. The nodes which I want, that only it will keep, and I will put some certain conditions that if it is the case, then don't put in the data structure. Okay, so since I don't know how many verticals are there, I will be using a map data structure, and it will be, int should be the first data type. Okay, which will be basically representing verticals, since I don't know the verticals. In that vertical, if for example some node is already present, okay, so this is basically key, right? This is basically key. So for this key, if a node is present, then I will say that okay, if for this key, if a node is present, this means that for the vertical, for example it's vertical number 1, minus 1. So this will be the first node in this, in that vertical. If I talk about vertical number 1, this was minus 1. If I talk about this vertical number 1, I will represent it with a green pen. Oh, let me take another pen. Yeah, so this node will be coming first. If I go level order wise, so this node will be coming first, right? And after this node will be coming, but this node will get hidden by this node. You want me to tell you again? Okay, so this is vertical number 1. In vertical number 1, I am going level wise traversal, and this node I will encounter first for vertical number 1. So I will say okay, for vertical number 1, whatever is my data structure, I will say that hey, for this is what, level 0, level 1. So for and this is vertical 1, so I don't care about the level. I am only storing vertical. Why? Because I am only storing the node which I visit for the first time, and the node which comes for the second time, third time, at whatever level, I am not concerned with it. Whatever node I see for the first time, it will be my topmost node. Got it? The node which I get for the first time will be my topmost node, and this is pretty obvious also, right? If I go level order wise from top to bottom, if I go level order from top to bottom, so if I encounter a node which is on the top, if I encounter this node, so this node will be on the top level, or top level from this node. This will be, if it is level 1, if it is level 1, so it will be level 2. And if you will see, so level 1 will uh, definitely hide this level 2, right? Level 1 will hide level 2 when you are watching it from the top, and the reverse goes when you do a bottom view. Let me draw an eye. Yeah, like this we used to draw an eye, right? Okay, so if we do a bottom view, then what happens that whatever the node you encounter for the last time, you will say that okay, this node, since I'm watching this node from the bottom, so the last level will be my answer. I hope you got my point. That if I'm going level order wise, so it will be like first node, I will give priority to the first node, and the rest of the nodes I will not be concerned of that nodes. If I'm doing top view of binary tree, and when I'm doing bottom view of the binary tree, then I will say that the last node which I visit, I will keep on updating uh, the node which I encounter in that vertical, so that the bottommost node will be, or the last seen node in that vertical will be in my data structure. So let's see the code. This is the result. If nothing is in the root, so definitely an empty vector. After that, this is my data structure, which is basically storing vertical, and this is storing the value of the node, because in here we have to just return value. So not node here, it's just int which is storing value of that node dot val. And simple level order traversal. What is this zero here? This is my first node.